Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and today I'm doing boxes 3 and 4 of Season 1 Star Trek Picard by Rittenhouse. So, if you watch the other breaks, you'll notice that there's 2 autos a box. I haven't seen any sketch cards yet, but those are rare, and there's only 7,500 boxes made of this product. These 2 boxes. This is 2980, and this is 7132, so this is towards the end. So, that's pretty much it there. We'll just dive right into it. There's going to be a lot of packs. And I know the last time I did it, ripped all the packs at once and stuff. This time I'm going to try it a little different. I'll take the packs out and we'll just go pack by pack. So that way you're not sitting there watching the packs get opened. Or sitting there listening to the packs get opened. So again, I'm just going to do the inserts and autographs. I won't really show a lot of the base unless there's something that jumps out, but so far nothing there. So yeah, that's the only downside of this, is that once you've opened up a box or two, you're not really too inclined to spend a lot of time showing the frickin' base cards. So far nothing. Not even an insert. I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. Oh, no, there's an insert there. Character card. 7 of 9. Next, Jerry Ryan. But yeah. Another character card. That's interesting. Deanna Troi. So, no new characters there. Those are well-established characters from the previous series. Boys, that card's all kinds of crunched. Yeah, there you go. You can see how there it's like just something stabbed it. But it wasn't me. I come out of the pack that way. More just base. More base. Kind of crazy. Oh, finally got a insert, the tarot card. And if Picard's not your cup of tea, I will be doing another break here later today of, oh, there's our first auto. Kendra Munger. Telshire woman. Telshire. But as I started to say, if this isn't your cup of tea, I will be doing a hockey Series 2 retail hockey break later on today. Whether or not it gets uploaded today or not. And another tarot card. It's RT15. But yeah, the new policies with my local Walmart and Targets are kind of interesting. There's one of the travel posters, Fabulous Free Cloud. But yeah, my local Target, Walmart, they now are Target is one item. So lucky for me, I walked in and they had 4 mega boxes of Series 2, another tarot card, as well as fat packs. But since it's limited to one item, it's like you got to make the choice. What do you want to buy? A pack, a single pack, or a box that's got multiple packs? Casey King, Ichib. And again, since I've never seen the series, I'm not familiar with the character, but if I was to guess, I'd almost say he looks Bajoran, but since it doesn't tell you anything about the character on the back, it's kind of like, well, your guess is as good as mine. Tarot card. So that's our second autograph of this box, so chances of hitting anything else in this box are slim to none, but who knows, might get lucky. Nothing there. And that's the other thing too with Rittenhouse products, there are no parallels, so unlike other card manufacturers where you can get different color parallels or things of that nature, there's literally nothing special about the base cards beyond the inserts and such. That one there's a little rough cut on the edge. What is it? 4 packs left this first box. Nothing there. Nothing there. 2 packs left. Nothing there. So far in this box, there's been 0 yeah, we had the embossed character cards, but not a lot of inserts. A couple tarot cards. We did get 4, 1 travel card, but no of the hollow crew cards in this box. It's kind of funny because in the first 2 boxes I got 1 out of each, but in this one got none. So again, this box here is 7132. And here we go. Same exact travel card, Free Cloud. So I guess you'd say that's my first duplicate. So the question will be will this box be a all duplicate box or not? Turn it that way so that way I don't keep trying to reach over the... Nothing there. Ugh, God, that one was sticky. Just base. Tarot card. RT12. Oh, character card. Agnes Girardi. Laris, character card. God, these. Just sticky packs. Base. Another tarot card. Arch, RT30. Whoop. Hugh. That's a different looking one. I haven't seen one of those before. Character profile, I'm wondering, or it's kind of a little foily. Hopefully that's a sign of things to come in this box. Another tarot card. RT6. And our first autograph in this box. Nice, a Brent Spiner. Nice. I'm going to have to top load that baby right now. So at least that's one big name. And now we're into the second half. So even though that box number was way towards the end, certainly not a bad box by any means. RT21. And here's our second auto. Casey King, duplicate. So now I have two of the same guy. That's a little bit of a letdown. Base. All base. I say I'm trying to just rapid fire through the rest of this because after hitting the second autograph, there's probably not, unless there's a bonus sketch card, there's not going to be anything else notable in this second box. Four packs left, or 5 packs. Not even an insert. Three packs left. Two packs. Or should I say just the next to the last pack. Nothing there in the last pack. So do we go out with any special hit like a sketch? And it looks like nothing. So, yeah. Quick hit recap. Ha. Got this Hugh character profile foily card. Our 4 autographs. 2 of the same, Casey King. 1 Kendra Munger. And the hit so far of these 5 boxes, a Brent Spiner autograph. So anyway, that concludes this break of Season 1 Star Trek Picard for 2021 Rittenhouse product. Hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching. Have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.